Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a song called Twistin' the Night Away. It was written and performed by Sam Cooke. Twisting the Night Away peaked at number 9 on the Billboard Hot 100, peaked at number 1 on the Billboard R&B charts in 1962. If you want to learn a great song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, to get through Twistin' the Night Away, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. First chord is a G major. You're going to need to know an E minor. You're going to need to know a C major chord. And you're going to need to know a D7. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so the verse incorporates all 4 chords that we just reviewed. The chorus actually only incorporates 3. We're going to look at them separately. Let's start with the verse. Song basically starts on the G major chord. We're going to try to slow it down and take you through it. Again, it starts on the G major chord. Here we go. To the E minor, then jump to the C, then to the D7, and that's it. Let me tell you about a place somewhere up the New York way, where the people are so gay, twisting the night away. And that's it. You just simply repeat that chord progression through all of the verses. Let's take a couple quick minutes now and have a look at the chorus. Okay, the chorus only uses 3 chords, the G major, the C chord, and the D7. Let's slow it down and have a closer look at how this is played out. Chorus basically starts on the G major chord. Here we go. We're twisting, twisting, everybody's feeling great. To the C, twisting, twisting, to the D7, twisting the night away. Back to the G, and that's it. Comes at you fairly quickly. Let's speed it up now so you have a better idea of how it should sound. Again, starting on the G major. Well, we're twisting, twisting, everybody's feeling great. Oh, twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. And that's it. That's the chorus. So there you have it. We've looked at the verse and the chorus. It's a very, very easy song to play, and it's fun. It's very fun to play as well. So now we're going to mic it up. We're going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Somewhere up the New York way, where the people are so gay, twisting the night away. Here to have a lot of fun, putting trouble on the run. Man, you find the old and the young, twisting the night away. Twisting, twisting, everybody's feeling great. Oh, twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. Here's a man in evening clothes. How he got here I don't know. Man, you ought to see him go, twisting the night away. He's dancing with the chicken slide. She's moving up and back. Oh man, there ain't nothing like twisting the night away. Twisting, twisting, everybody's feeling great. Oh, twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. Let's twist it. Lean up, lean back, lean up, yeah. Lean back. 1, 2, step. Now fly. Now twist, yeah. Twisting the night away. Here's a fella in blue jeans, dancing with the Nora Queen, who's all up in the diamond rings. She's twisting the night away. Man, you ought to see her go, twisting to the rock and roll. Here you find the young and the old, twisting the night away. Twisting, twisting, everybody's feeling great. Oh, twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. And there you have it, Twistin' the Night Away, written and performed by Sam Cooke. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.